Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I often say to use organic products. I know it's more expensive than non-organic products at that time, but I'm wary of eating pesticides which may cause my health more damage later. I know pesticides are used even in organic farming, but I still believe taking in less chemicals is better for your health. Anyway, there are all kinds of chemicals everywhere in our food, water, air, cosmetics, and skincare. I don't think we can avoid them completely as long as we choose to live in a civilized area and in a civilized society. Even if you move to a rural area, you might be living under the chemtrails. I am not a chemist. In fact, I hated chemistry in school. Whenever I want to look up a safety level of certain chemical, I go to Environmental Working Group's website, ewg.org, for a reference. It's an independent, non-profit, environmental activist organization. So of course, they get criticized by pro-chemical peeps. For example, when I posted the Listerine foot soak last week, someone commented about the danger of Paloxamir 407. Since I cannot explain what it is, I looked it up on their Skin Deep, where they rate more than 75,000 cosmetic products and each ingredient. According to the website, Paloxamir 407 came up as low hazard but with limited data. This person also said Paloxamir 407 causes cancer in mice. So I did a quick search, but I couldn't find a reference for that. So with this limited information, all I'm going to say is make your decision for yourself. After all, only you can protect yourself with knowledge. I think I've said this before, but everything you see and hear is someone else's opinion, whether old or new, based on their beliefs on the source of information. And that's including my babbling. If you happen to know any other sites that graze the safety of the chemicals, please let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.